Hi, I'm going to show you how to make your PDFs editable for your students. I am using the Snipping Tool, which you have in your computer. To access, you have to go to your Start menu and type Snipping Tool and then click on New. Now we're going to select the worksheet. This is your PDF, okay? I have it here on my PDF. And now we're going to click on Save to save it in your computer. We're gonna go to Google Chrome and we're going to choose Slides. Okay, and we're going to select the blank presentation to start a new presentation. Okay, so we have it here. I'm going to remove some information that we don't need. This one right here on the left, you can remove it. And we're gonna remove these two text boxes that we're not going to use. So you just click on the text boxes and just hit delete. Okay, now I want to change the size. So you have to go click on File, Page Setup. Here we're gonna select Custom. I'm gonna change it to 8.5 times 11 and then click on Apply. Okay, now I have my new size of my presentation. So you're gonna go to Background now and you're going to choose your image. This will be the document that you saved previously, okay? Okay, here we have it. Now we're gonna click on Done. Okay, so this is your worksheet. I'm gonna zoom the worksheet so you can see it better. The good thing is that your students will not be able to move it, to move any information, okay? So we're going to add the text boxes. You have to go to Insert, Text Box. Okay, so here you have your text box. I suggest that you can type these two words, type here, because if your students are not very savvy, they will not know where to type. So my suggestion is that you do it like this. Just type the words, type here, and they will know where to type. So you're gonna do the same thing for every section. And you can just copy and paste the text box so it's easier for you to finish. Okay, here we have them. So down here you can see that my the next page that I have here, it's wider. So my suggestion is to copy and paste the text box and to make it the same space that you have here. Just drag it over here. Okay, so your students will not have any problems when they have to type. We're gonna copy and paste the same text boxes here. And we're gonna do the same thing with the last two. Okay, we're almost finished. Let's drag it over here. Okay, so here you have the document. It's ready for your students. Now I'm gonna show you how to share the document, okay? You have to go here on File. Up here, you have to click on Share. Here you have to give a name for your presentation. I'm gonna write homework and then click on Save. You can share with people and groups, or you can get the link. Select change to anyone with the link so you don't have any problems when you share the link, okay? So here you copy the link and click done. Now we're gonna copy and paste the link. Okay guys, here is your document. Thank you for watching.